Welcome back. We're starting to get salam sin आज जेका आए हुने जेका आई पे अभी ड्रॉप थी भैया आवाज अच्छे भी भाई न पे भी अच्छे मतलब बिल्कुल रेडी होना हम खबर ना छापे थे खैर हलू था टाइम ना था वेस्ट में लास्ट ब्रेक आए इनमें चाहिए पहले देखा डिफरेंट इश्यूज इन हेल्थ एंड एक्सरसाइज में था जैसे हेल्थ के बारे में ॻाल्हायूं था एक्सरसाइज हेड़ी शइ आहे जेका हर छोकरी के करण जो शौक़ हूंदो आहे पर कॾहिं बि उनखे कंटिन्यू कोन कंदी आहे मां बि जॾहिं एक्सरसाइज कंदी हुअसि त कंदी हुअसि हाणे छॾी आहे त बिल्कुलु ई छॾी आहे पर हिकिड़ी कॉन्सेप्ट आहे स्पेशली हिते जी ॻाल्हि करे कयां पई त हिते जेका मायूं वेहनि थियूं या माण्हू वेहनि था त हिकिड़ी डिस्कशन ज़रूरु कंदा आहिनि त जॾहिं माण्हू एक्सरसाइज छॾंदो आहे त ज़रूरु हू थुल्हो थी वेंदो आहे या अनहेल्दी थी वेंदो आहे त छा ही शइ सही आहे या ग़लति अचो डॉक्टर सजना सां आस्क कयूं था Dr. Susanna, there's this concept here that if you do an exercise and if you leave it, even the exercise, the workout, the gym work and everything, if you leave it, do you weight gain? Is that true?
Okay, thank you for the question. It's really good because this is, there's a lot of misconception out there. So let's just clear it out. So when you exercise, you are expending calories.
Yeah.
So if you are eating the same way, you are expending some, so your weight may come down, may not, but it may just stay stable, okay? And then when you leave the exercise and you put the calories and it's the same way, you don't have energy expenditure, what happens? The calories will be putting up on you. So basically, exercise is forever. You eat forever, you exercise, you move forever. Your body was meant to move. Look at yourself, you got bone and you got muscle. Muscle meant to move the bone. So therefore, you must take care of your muscles, right? Most people, they take their cars to service, right? But they don't take care of their own body.
Yes.
So therefore, we meant to move. Sitting is not what we meant to do for the most time because we got muscles. We wouldn't have muscles. So you got to take care of that. So cardio exercise is one of them. Is the best way to keep your fat under control if you eat well, glycemically controlled, blood sugar regulation, more fruits and vegetables, and in the portion which I was just explaining. And then you go for an exercise, your body will be actually expending your own fat. If you don't do that, and if you eat the sugary drinks, white breads, the white rices before your exercise, your body will be burning the same thing what you just ate, the rice, the potato, and the sugary drink. It will do nothing to do with your fat, it will just keep expanding that. So basically, yes, exercise is forever, and then it's basically once you start doing it and you find the modality, the type of exercise that you enjoy to do, could be yoga, to weight training, to dancing, to bike ride, to running, to walking,
To sports and everything.
Sports, run after the ball, kick the ball around with the kids, play football, whatever that is, keep moving. House cleaning is a great way to expend energy, and I encourage every woman actually to do that and teach your kids. Let's do it with you. Wash your car your own self, wipe the dust off yourself. These are great ways to keep your body in shape. So I don't look at it these ways as here the cultural thing that I shouldn't be doing it because I'm in a much higher level than a person
Yes.
who I'm higher. Look at your health. You want to be healthy or you want to die? So which one do you want and which way do you want to get there, basically? And that's very simple when you can answer that. But once you cultured into the sitting still and doing nothing and watching television and eating, then you can expect that you gain weight. Okay? So exercise is forever. And yes, if you're going to stop, there will be a change in your body. If you start exercise again, there will be another change in your body for the positive way. So why not maintaining it?
Exactly. I'm going to ask you, Tony, about it because you've been in the marketing business and especially you go in the universities, you tell them how to do and what to do. So I'm going to ask you, like people in the office, basically office, however people are working in the office, they just leave themselves because they are a businessman or something. So do you even tell them that they should also be in a healthy way or something? Because you are coaching a team, so what do you do?
Yeah, I think one of the dilemmas is that business people,
Yes.
when they grow and climb the ladder, they have longer lunches for some rhyme or reason. So they tend to spend more time eating and drinking and socialising and the old-fashioned way of corporate entertainment. This is all food, beverages, alcohol, which causes weight gain. And what I try and do to some of the corporates is say, take a step back and look at what you want to preach as a culture to the rest of your staff. And one of those things should be, if you are going to have lunches, then maybe you should try and fit in some exercise as well. In the Western world, many companies now specialise in setting up offices nearby, gymnasiums, and parks where they can go and exercise. There's nothing wrong with eating, as Susanna says. What you put into your body, you've got to find a way to burn it off. And having long lunches and business meetings where you sat down is not conducive to that. So by all means, have a long lunch, vary them, make sure you're exercising equivalently, and hopefully try and set sort of standards that you want your staff to follow. And if the staff can see that you're doing these things, then you're leading by example. They will in turn grow up and go on to be more healthy themselves. So it's a two-way thing, really.
Exactly. सर आप सांस अगर भी सेम क्वेश्चन करने तहाँ एक भी कहीं बिजनेस में आयो बिजनेसमैन आयो वर्क भी कयो था जॉब भी कई आहे तो तहाँ ॾिसो था ही सेम शयूं आहिनि बिल्कुल मतलब ही चयो वेंदो आहे जॾहिं माण्हू जी शादी थींदी आहे बिल्कुल ऑफ टॉपिक आई पर ज़रूर कंदसि जीअं शादी थींदी आहे त हू ज़रूर एक्साइटेड हूंदो आहे पाण खे फिट रखण में जॾहिं शादी थी वेंदी आहे त डल थी वेंदो आहे हीअं छो थींदो आहे तव्हां सां सम्झो
सही ॻाल्हि आहे तव्हांजी शादी खां पहिरें माण्हू पाण
खे रुको हिकिड़ी एग्जांपल हुई ज़रूरी न आहे कि एलाबोरेट कनि
फिट रखंदा आहिनि ऐं हुन खां पोइ बि असांखे ज़रूरी आहे असांखे
पाण जे लाइ
सुठे रखे ईअं चवंदो आहे वियो आहे त ए साउंड माइंड इन साउंड बॉडी
एग्जैक्टली
जेकॾहिं तव्हांजी बॉडी साउंड हूंदी त तव्हांजो माइंड बि साउंड हूंदो इंटेलिजेंट माण्हू थींदो ऐं सुठो कमु करे सघंदो असांजे ऑफिस में असांजे जेको चेयरमैन आहे हुन इहो शुरू कयो आहे त फ्रूट ऑफिस जे माण्हुनि जे लाइ ऑफिस जे ख़र्चे ते ईंदो आहे रोज़ माण्हू फ्रूट खाईंदा आहिनि लंच खां पोइ
हाँ तो ही शयूं ऑब्वियसली इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रूट्स जेको आहे हिकु शइ ज़रूर मैं हिते लाइन जोड़ करूँ फ्रूट्स बेसिकली हेल्प्स यू जब आपको डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए फूड मतलब आपको जब भी तव्हां कुछ खाईंदा आयो तो उनमें अगर फ्रूट तव्हां एंड में आफ्टर योर मील इफ यू टेक इट इट बेसिकली हेल्प्स यू डाइजेस्ट योर फूड आई थिंक सो इट्स बेटर टू कीप ठीक आहे जेका प्रोटीन आहे जेका मीट आहे जेको चिकन फिश जेका बीफ मीट सब रेड मीट जेका सभी शयूं आहिनि गोश्त जेका माण्हू खाईंदा आहिनि ईद जो गोश्त स्पेशली ईद सेक्रीफाइस कंदा आहिनि ऐं गोश्त एतिरो सारो फ्रीज़र में पियो हूंदो आहे खाइण जे लाइ पर उहे सभु शयूं पंहिंजी जाइ ते आहिनि पर वेजिटेबल्स जेका आहिनि जेका हेल्दी शयूं आहिनि त उनखे अगरि हेल्दी वे में अगरि असां खायूं पॉसिबिलिटी एतिरो सारो हेल्प कंदा इलाही सारी जेका बीमारियूं हूंदियूं आहिनि उनका तव्हां ईज़ीली ख़तमु करे सघो था पंहिंजी लाइफ खां जेका कैंसर आहे जेका ब्रेन प्रॉब्लम्स आहिनि जेका हार्ट इशूज़ आहिनि हेल्थ में हार्ट इशूज़ हर कंहिं में अॼुकल्ह कॉमन थी वियो आहे डायबिटीज़ एतिरी कॉमन थी वई आहे शुगर खाइण सां ब्लड प्रेशर इन सभु शयूं जेको आहिनि बेसिकली तव्हांजी बॉडी जेका तव्हां इनपुट कयो था उहो ई आउटपुट तव्हांखे मिले थो त कोशिशि कंदा कयो पंहिंजी लाइफ खां जेका सॼी जेका क्रैपी फूड आहिनि जेका सॼो जंक फूड आहे जंहिंमें चिप्स आहिनि जंहिंमें कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स आहिनि उनखे कट करे छॾियो ऐं get back to normal thing, get back to healthy stuff. So as you can put it in and you can get the output better. हाणे हलो था सुज़ैना से थोरो ॻाल्हायूं त केतिरो टाइम लॻो अगरि मूंखे ॿुधाए छॾियो प्लीज़ थोरो सो 5 minutes आहे ठीक आहे 5 minutes में इलाही कुझु ॻाल्हाए सघूं था हलूं था थोरो मैसेज वठूं था Susanna, I'm really want to thank you to be with me here, all three of you. Thanks a lot for being here. I want you to say something to our viewers from your side about the new year coming or about anything you like, any message you would like to say.
First of all, I like to thank Ryan Alawala and Supertech Foundation for sponsoring me for being here in Pakistan, because without them I wouldn't be here. And also thank Facebook, because I'm here because of Facebook. And I hope that you guys can show your wonderful self through Facebook to the outside world, because this is really not what the media is showing to the world. And you guys, I think you guys are wonderful and lovely, and it's all inside you. And yes, we are here to help and give you some tools. And I really wish you that you guys can just keep walking with your head straight up. And I really wish you a fruitful new year for 2012.
That's very cute and sweet and yummy, I think. Thank you so much, Dr. Susanna. Tony, same question, same thing I would like to ask you. Anything you want to say to the viewers who are watching you right now? For the New Year message or anything?
I think, given the fact it's a nutrition program we're talking about today, one of the biggest things that people don't understand is that we put weight on over time. Some people turn around and after 6 or 12 months or 3 or 4 years, they realise they've gained 5, 6, 10 pounds. The issue they try and do then is get rid of it straight away. If you're going to have a New Year's resolution, have a New Year's resolution to lose weight over time, to lose the weight you've gained over time. So if you look back and think, I've gained the size in clothes over the last 12 months, then don't try and lose it in January. Give yourself 12 months
Exactly.
so you can actually execute it effectively. Because when we put weight on gradually, we should lose weight gradually, and that way our health is maintained.
Thank you so much, Tony, for being here. And sir, तव्हां सां बि same request कंदसि टाइम ॾाढो घटि रहिजी वियो त तव्हां जेको मैसेज ॾियणु चाहियो था प्लीज़ ॾियो.
मुंहिंजो मैसेज इहो आहे तव्हांजी महिरबानी माण्हुनि जी महिरबानी सलाम सिंध जी महिरबानी सिंध टीवी जी महिरबानी तव्हां असांखे हिते घुरायो असांखे मौक़ो ॾिनो त असां तव्हां सां कुझु ॻाल्हियूं कयूं ऐं मूंखे यकीन आहे त नओं साल पाकिस्तान जे लिए घणियूं ख़ुशियूं खणी ईंदो
बिल्कुलु
ऐं नओं साल तव्हां सभिनीनि खे असांजे पारां मुबारक हुजे।
Thank you so much, Mr. Sir. तव्हां ट्रेन जो हिते अचण जो language में पंहिंजी language में ॻाल्हाईंदसि. I'm going to speak in my own language. And thank you so much, all of you, for coming here and telling us so much about health and especially about the sports and everything. And thank you so much to you too. We will see you असांजो अॼु जो प्रोग्राम थोरो डिफरेंट कयो. असां कोशिशि कई जेका अहिड़ा माण्हू जेका सिंध जा न आहिनि पर असांजे सिंध जे लाइ पाकिस्तान जे लाइ एतिरो कुझु करणु चाहिनि था, विलिंग आहे, त छो न असां पंहिंजी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ बि पाण ते खणियूं ऐं छो न पाण खे हेल्दी ऐं स्पेशली पंहिंजी बॉडी खे पंहिंजी फैमिली जे लाइ कुझु सुठो कयूं, त छो न अॻियां अचूं ऐं हिन ते हथु विझूं ज़रूरु. हिन सां गॾु प्रोग्राम कीअं लॻो तव्हांखे ज़रूरु फीडबैक असांखे ज़रूरु ॾिजो. तव्हांजी कॉल्स अॼु न आई पर को प्रॉब्लम न आहे. थोरी जेका गेस्ट हुया हुनजी वजह सां बि थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग अस. हिन सां गॾु पंहिंजो ख़ुशि सारो ख़्यालु रखिजो. इंशाअल्लाह ताला सुभाणे मुलाक़ात थींदी. 9 to 11 असांजो साथ थींदो. तव्हांजी कॉल्स ऐं SMS ज़रूरु हूंदा. सो कीप वॉचिंग सलाम सिंध एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. सलाम सिंध. सलाम पाकिस्तान. Yay! Finish.